Understanding bow repair, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase, bow repair. This topic might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dive in and understand all about it. The phrase, bow repair, consists of two words, bow and repair. Bow can mean different things depending on the context. It could refer to a tool used in playing string instruments like violins, a front part of a ship, or a decorative ribbon. Repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. So, bow repair can refer to fixing any of these types of bows. When talking about musical instruments, bow repair refers to fixing the bow of string instruments. A bow is a stick with hair stretched between its ends, used to play instruments like violins and cellos. Repairing it can involve restringing the hair, adjusting the tension, or fixing the wooden stick. In nautical terms, the bow is the front part of a ship. So, bow repair, in this context means fixing any damage or issues at the front part of a ship. This could involve patching holes, repainting, or structural repairs. Lastly, in the context of fashion or decoration, a bow refers to a knot made with ribbon or similar material. Bow repair here could mean fixing a decorative bow that's come undone or lost its shape. That's it for today's lesson on bow repair. As we've seen, this phrase can mean different things based on the context. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand the versatility of English phrases. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.